Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a brilliant black 2017 Audi Q5 Premium Plus, stock number A7032. You have factory fog lights up front, there are front-facing sensors, and you've got a sharp chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 20-inch Michelin tire. And then inside there is a power sunroof. You have a black leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. Seating for two up front. There is seating for three back in the second row. That makes this a 5-passenger Q5. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've got backup sensors, there is a backup camera, and you've also got keyless entry for the trunk, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that open and closed. You do have a cargo cover here that is in great shape. That second row seating folds into a 40-20-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Audi today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have buttons here for memory seating. You have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Then stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel, you have information buttons coming back behind here. You have your cruise control buttons. There are audio and navigation controls here on the steering wheel. And then coming over to the center, you have this great touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera will show. You've got a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You have your climate controls underneath of that. There are buttons here for heated front row seating. There is a push button start here. You have controls for your audio and navigation. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and that in highway mileage is going to get you around 27 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Q5 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.